Our goal is for this hospital to be the best rehabilitation hospital in the world, the facility. So to do that, you have to do things that have never been done before. The most inspiring, the most hopeful. I mean, we can describe what the best in the world is. You know, it's an environment that helps people heal better than they would if they were in our current environment. The only way to answer those questions is to talk to our clinicians who work with our patients. So we need their input, and we still need their input. It's not over yet. In fact, it won't be over until we're really using the facility. But you know, it gets expensive once you start construction, so you want to get all the input you can and really a lot of thoughtful process into the plans themselves. And that's what we're doing now and have been doing for a year. So I would say the delay of about 9 months or so, that delay has really enabled us to get a lot more input and really sort things out. I mean, we're changing our models of care in therapy and bringing outpatient into the building, back into the building again with inpatient, in nursing, with our physicians, with our medical practice, in almost in every way. O&P, ortho-seat, assistive technology are all together now. We're changing everything. The actual inpatient room is really critical. Not to say others aren't, because every space is really equally critical. And we've spent a lot of time talking about a lot of different spaces, but you know, given the patient room, we wanted to mock it up so that nurses and therapists could go over and they could walk through the space and really kick the tires. The nursing staff was really saying this room is too small. You know, there's not enough area for the family on the other side of the bed. So this was a major decision to say, do we expand the building? Because the building was already mostly designed at that point. And based on that input from nursing, we decided, okay, we're going to go back to the drawing board and we're going to expand that building. So we made the rooms 2 feet longer in the new building. Going to private rooms, we've now doubled from semi-private, we've now doubled the distance you have to walk. And so if you add it all up, nurses would spend a lot of time walking around rather than doing patient care. We're going to a decentralized nursing model so that they will be in the same location as the patient rooms that they serve. An RN and nurse tech and a team would work together in a decentralized location with a little alcove. Patient care, the quality is better and it's more efficient. And that didn't come without a lot of nursing input. I'll tell you one more area where we've changed as a result of, in a big way as a result of input from therapists. In fact, I commented in my blog when I was here with Susan 10 years ago as the spouse of a patient that I used to sit up in the third floor waiting room just killing time when she was sleeping. And I would sit as close to the glass wall, which was into the atrium as I could be, because I just loved the plant life and birds would fly and all that. So it's kind of sacrosanct. I mean, it's every bit about what rehabilitation is all about. And yet, therapists were all saying, we don't have enough room on the third floor for therapy. So we ended up, and the Guild agreed, the board, I mean, this was a big discussion. We ended up deciding to fill in the third floor of the atrium. Now the first 2 floors will still be open and we're going to put daylighting in and we're going to have lots of plants and trees and things we're calling it a multi-purpose entry now because it's a place where families can come to 24 hours a day. But we've used that floor now for therapy. That's going to be a therapy gym. So it's a perfect example where we're listening and therapists are speaking. Our goal is for this hospital to be the best rehabilitation hospital in the world.